Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Aneida, and today as I was outside painting and getting stuff ready for the house and for spring and for a few things for future DIYs, I was in the backyard listening to the birdies, and then a little birdie gave me an idea. So I have a lot of stuff that I bought for Valentine's that I never got to do the DIYs to record because we've been very busy getting the house in order and stuff. So, like I said, I bought a lot of stuff that I had wanted to use to decorate around the house, or, just to do a DIY or whatever. So, I just opened this bag because I thought it was, my little birdie just popped out. I thought it was so cute, these hearts, that they're like, not really shaped perfectly. And they actually look like a hand, like a mitten kind of thing. So that's why I bought them, because I was thinking about doing something like that. They come in different shapes. This is a big one, and they have the smaller ones inside. Here. So they look like mittens. So I may use this for Christmas time for DIY. So I got an idea as I was outside and I heard all the birdies and stuff like that. So I had bought this not long ago, and it's a Floramat, easy to cut, sticky back, peel and stick. And it's great. I mean, it gives you like different ideas of what you could do with it. So usually I just buy the Moss that you have to kind of like break it up and shred it. But this one comes with this is the way it comes, and it has a backing. So this is where the sticky part is, and you just peel it like regular peel paper. So I came up with an idea to use some of the items that I have left over for Valentine's. And so I had this heart. This is one of the wood hearts. And I came up with this idea. I was thinking about my husband and how we've been together for 20 plus years, and just a random thinking, as I was doing my DIYs and my painting and stuff outside. And I was just thinking about my husband, and I came up with this idea that how to use the moss, because I bought this peel and stick. Mostly I was gonna use it on styrofoam to make a topiary. So I haven't done that yet, but I still have enough material to do that, and so that will probably be a future DIY. But I thought about the heart, and so what I did was I opened the backing, and I traced out the heart shape on the paper in the corner, and then I cut it out, and this is the way it looks. And I love it. I love it. I love it. It looks like grass, And so I was thinking, and I said, well, I could put like, I have a whole bunch of flowers, and if you do this, you could use any flower. Like, say for example, so this is just an example. You could, if you have a one of these hearts, you could add a heart or two, and it will look cute with a ribbon and stuff. Or you could add a pink flower if you have a little girl or a daughter, and this is something you could do, and it looks beautiful. That green with the pink looks gorgeous. Or something like, these are from the Dollar Tree. You could do one flower for yourself, or two, and so forth. Any color you want, any flower you want. So the ideas are endless. I just love how this idea came up. And so, since I was thinking about my husband, I was thinking about how we came together, how the Lord brought us together. And so I picked from the vase that I had in my dining room. I have this spray of flowers from the Dollar Tree and from Walmart and all over the place. And so I took these two little flowers, and they look like carnation flowers, but I'm not sure. So I took two of them, and I took them because one is taller than the other, and one looks like it's leaning towards the other. Like, so I just thought that was so cute. And you know, in marriage, that's the way it is. Sometimes you're the tallest one, you're the one that's standing taller, and the other one is leaning on you. And it doesn't matter, female or male, you know. Sometimes in a marriage, you know, that's the way things work in a marriage. So I also wanted to use some leaves. And so I have a collection here of leaves from flowers that I have used in the past, and I don't throw them out. I put them in a Ziploc and I keep them in here. So different types of leaves. And I thought about this one because this one has a lighter green, and I think it'll just go perfect with the darker green in the background, and it has some glitter on the edging. And I believe this is from the flowers from the fall time, one of the fall flowers, the orange ones or something like that. So I love this one. I love the way it looks. So the flowers had a little stem here, so I placed it right there. And so I'm gonna place it like so, and I'm gonna hot glue it on the heart. But I think what I'm gonna use, I'm gonna tie this up together with the twine. I'm gonna wrap it up in a pretty, you know, make a nice gathering there. And then I'm gonna hot glue it here. And then of course we always use ribbons, so I went through my stash of ribbons, and I love this ribbon. I have bought this one at the Christmas tree shop, and I bought it for $1.99, and it's 8 yards, and it's a braided one. And I thought about making a trim around the heart with this, and also doing the hanging, the little hanger. I'll probably do a simple hanger in the back. I have other ribbons, you know, different variety of colors, but I thought about this ribbon. This is a ribbon I bought at Walmart, and it's by Inspirational Ribbon, and it's the scripture of love, and it's love is patient, love is kind, and so forth. And so I thought this was perfect. And so the idea that I have is, after I tie this up, I'm gonna place it like in the center, and I'm gonna place the ribbon across like so. And I just want it simple like this, and I thought it's so cute. And then I'll do the trimming with either the twine or something else. So I'm gonna put the hot glue on, and so I could get this started, and I'm gonna place you on pause, and I'll come back. Okay, so I took the twine and I tied it, and I placed everything together and I tied it. Now what I'm gonna do is kind of like wrap it like so, and I'm gonna put some hot glue and continue to wrap. Now I have the hot glue, I turned it off, but it's hot enough that it's gonna hold on the twine. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Now I promise you it's not hot. We all have to be very careful with the hot glue. This is very dangerous. So it's perfect. It's not, it sticks, but it's not that hot. And I'm just gonna twirl it and then I'll be right back. So I turned the hot glue back on. I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and place this trimming on the edge of the heart. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I have my finger protection, the little rubbers on my fingers to protect my fingers, because I will be pressing down as I place this on. Don't want to get burned. I only have it on one hand. And I have it on the wrong hand. I just think it makes it cleaner when you, I could have painted it in black or, but I like this ribbon, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I'm gonna place you on hold, on pause, and then I'll come back once I get the trimming done. Okay, so I finished doing the little twine, placing the twine around the flowers. Now I'm gonna place the flowers here and hold it down. And also I think what I'm gonna do so the leaves could show, I'm gonna glue them on the tips a little bit, on the tips. Plus it'll give it a little extra hold, support. I'm doing that on both sides. Then I'm going to take the ribbon, and I want to make sure that the word love that's on the ribbon, that is centered. And it's going to form like a hold, like a pocket. And I'm just going to glue that in place. Like so. Okay, so this is how it finished up. And I just love it. I love it, I love it. And I placed the trimming all the way around the heart. And I wrapped that ribbon from 1 Corinthians. And I placed the love right in the middle, the flowers, 2 flowers. And then in the back, I took some twine and I took some, I hot glued it, and I put fabric, and then when I brought over the ribbon, I just completed it right here. So it's not even heavy, it's very light, and with a simple thing to put on the wall. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the wall, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. I'll be right back. So here's the heart, and I hung it from my mirror, which is in my entryway. And this is where I have my birdie topiary. This is where I'm going to start placing all my collections for spring. I hope you like it. And if you do it, if you use it, my idea, please let me know. Click like and subscribe and share my post. Thank you so much and be blessed.